everyone, it's VVS and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have another unboxing today for you guys from www.flamingo.shop. But before we get started with that, go ahead and smash the subscribe button down below. Also press the notifications bell, and give me a like. Thanks a bunch. Okay, let's dig into this www.flamingo.shop purchase. I purchased this and it just came to me in the mail, and I decided to do an unboxing video on it so that you guys can see the goodies I got as well. So let's dig in. This is my order for my nails. My nails, I do them myself because I'm not about to go and spend an absorbent amount of money on nails. That's the Virgo in me. I'm sorry, I just cannot fathom doing it, but I like having fresh nails done, so I do them myself. These are just like little press-on nails, and they look really cute. I mean, of course, they're not professional, so you're not going to get a perfect fit all the time, but I like the way they work. The instruction booklet the instruction sheet comes with it, so it shows you exactly what you need to do, so there's no big learning curve from that. And these are, what color are these? I forgot what color. They're like a marbled brown, you can see, like a tan, but it's a marbled. It has the mixture of the marble with it, and they're tan. So these are like a neutral for me. So these are like some cute little neutral nails for the summer too. And that's that I got. And I also got, and they also sent a little nail file because it has the instructions with it. You can use the file with it. I also got this, you guys. Oh my gosh. And of course I have a Galaxy Note. I was so excited to see, because most of the ones that have this character on it online are for iPhone, but you guys, look at this. Isn't that darling? It's Sailor Moon. It's Sailor Moon. It's so cute. Look at that with the wings, and it moves. I didn't know that this was going to be a little doll on there. It's actually a 3D. It's actually a doll, a little doll on there. And it moves. It's attached to that, and then it has the little wings up there. It's so cute. Again, like I said, I'm not really a pink person, but when I saw Sailor Moon and it was available for Samsung, I had to have it. So that's that, my Sailor Moon case. I can't wait to put this one on as well. That's all I got this time, you guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and also give me a like, and also hit the notifications bell. Thanks a bunch. See you guys later. Bye bye.